Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To those who are new, my name is Ellie. I do lifestyle, motherhood, and beauty videos. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can be part of my fam here on YouTube. So today I'm actually going to be doing a coffee/tea bar for my house. I actually am going to be showing you the whole process and like what it is that I did and got, so that should be really exciting. So let's just get into this video. We have like a lot of random stuff. I'm gonna end up like putting that away, and then these are things where we keep like Oakley's baby food and items in there. Since I have the items for the things that I'm gonna place here, I'm actually going to go get them because they're actually, I put them in the laundry room just because I wasn't gonna film this video right away. So let me go get those. Have some sort of like flour, and then I honestly did not know. I got this for like $5.99. It has like these little beads inside and they smell like legit orchid, and that's crazy because I didn't even know about that. So I actually have like kind of like a collection of mugs. So that's how this is coming along. Super cute. So I actually ended up buying like a tea organizer thing on Amazon, and so that I'm going to be placing at the bottom, so I'm going to be making some room for that as well. Be able to put this one inside of there because they come like in their own little packaging. So I'm just gonna put this one like how it is. Pack your bags. I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me. It's funny because I was actually going to buy like a smaller one, and I'm glad I didn't. And there's also different colors. Like I'll link everything that I buy down below if I can find it. I know I got this like at TJ Maxx Home Goods, so I'm pretty sure that whatever was there, that's it. These actually got a TJ Maxx as well, but I've seen similar ones at Target. This little thing up here that I got to put like the mugs and stuff is also from TJ Maxx Home Goods, but I've seen similar ones at Target as well. This coffee maker was actually a gift for Daniel for Christmas. So now we're going to like start fixing the bottom so we could place this down there. So I'm about to show you how it looks inside before I fix it. So I haven't organized this in like about a month probably. I mean, it's not hard. I just organize it pretty much by like the date that it expires. Probably gonna end up putting all these at the bottom now. So excuse me, categorize all the bananas together. Apple, beans. Oakley loves the sweet potato ones. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up. I guess if there is a self-quarantine at home and we run out of food, we got Gerber for days. We'll do bananas next. I wanted to be here by my side. I forgot a green bean. I'm going to be moving this tea thing down here. I will keep all the teas organized and placed on there. Like I said, this one is actually its own thing, so I'm gonna have to keep that one in here. I'm actually gonna be placing down here in this little corner Oakley's extra formula. And then his baby cereal that he eats. This one I actually haven't opened it. There's another one that we haven't opened, but I have that in the living room with us. That's how this is going to stay for now. Don't forget about the coffee filters. And the sugar, I will be placing it in a little container. So I actually have this like little leaf thing that never died from when Daniel gave me roses on Valentine's Day. So well, flowers, and so I'm just gonna place it right here. Just so I can add some type of greenery because I feel like it looks so plain. Up here I have no idea what I'm gonna place yet. So let me see what I can find. I have other mugs, but I feel like they're too wide to be put up here. So I brought a few things that I realized that I need for my tea as well, and coffee, or like for season. But I found a little plants and then little flowers, just so this won't be like empty for now, just because I honestly haven't even like, I have no idea what I want to put there yet. And then this is just plain old honey, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And then I'm probably going to actually buy a runner and then put it on there, but I'll let you guys know and I'll update it if anything. Okay, so I actually bought like a table runner that I'm actually gonna be putting on there. So I'm gonna take this off and then put it back on. Hopefully it fits. I got this from Target. And then you can see that it has its own little packaging right there, so I won't have to like put it inside the little case. This is actually the final look for my coffee/tea bar section. Miscellaneous things from Oakley, but since I'm putting it in there, I feel like I have to show you guys. Alright, so that pretty much concludes today's video. This is how my coffee bar/tea bar turned out. I'm super excited to actually use this every morning now, and I'm really excited about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!